Booleans can have two values, true or false. So what is JavaScript Booleans? Like I said, that Booleans can have just two values, either true or false. This corresponds to the way we have yes or no in English. In JavaScript programming language, when you hear about the word Boolean, it's talking about the possibility of either true or false. Now, let's look at an example of scenarios where Booleans are often used. So I pull up my code editor. Yeah, I want to talk about Boolean. Booleans can have two values, true or false. I'm already inside my script tag. Now I can go ahead and then add a variable. Let x equals to 5. Let y equals to 5. Let z equals to 6. Now I have three variables like this. And now I want to test to see if this thing if they are equal to each other. So the first condition is I want to check if x equals to y. So what I'm checking here is only the value. I'm not checking for a strict comparison that will check the type and the value, but I'm only checking for value. That's why you are seeing on the equal sign. Now, and then let me add a break so that everything can be on the same line. And now I want to check if x equals to z. And now let me see. Now, is x equals to y? X has 5, y has 5. This is true because they both have the same value, and that is why you are seeing true here. Now, the other condition is x equals to z. Now, look at this. X has 6. This one has 5 and this one has 6. It's false. So that is why you are saying false. So Boolean can have two values, either true or false. And take note that Booleans are mostly used in conditioning statement. That is where they are most used. So the most use cases is always a testing conditions in your program or in your project. Moving on, let's talk about the type of operator. You can use the JavaScript type of operator to find the type of a variable. The type of operator returns the type of a variable or an expression. So the type of operator can help you to check the type that a variable belongs to or an expression. Let's take a look at how this can be achieved in our editor. So I want to check for some values. So I will pass those values in, then I will check for their type to know which type it belongs to. So let's say I have this type of break, and outside this I want to add this plus, and now I have type of, so I want to pass the string here, and I also want to break it. And lastly, I want to check type full name. Now, look at this. From here, look at this. This is an empty string. When you say a double quote, it signals string. So that is why you are seeing string. This one, John in a closed bracket, in a double quote, you can see string. And this also is in a double quotes. This also is a string. So you can see that the type of allows us to know the type that each of these elements or values belong to in our code. So let's take a look at more examples. So we clear all this. And now I want to start with type all this. Type of So I want to put different numbers and in different formats so that we can actually see uh, their type and see how JavaScript interprets what a type is. So that's why I'm putting different numbers in different formats. So let me add this as well. And lastly, I want to add the start of 0.4. Now look at this. You can see that all of them are returning number, 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 number. And that is because if you take a look at this, 0 is number, 314 is number, 3.14, even though it is in decimal value, it's a number. 3 in a bracket, JavaScript treats it as a number. Addition in a bracket like this, 3 plus 4 in a bracket, as long as it is number, JavaScript sees the type as number, and that is why you are saying number as the output.